And yeah, question number three. Question number three of 7.1. Page 118. Page Yes, page one. Sorry, 119. Page 11. Page 119. Page 119. Page 119. Test answer. Test answer. I only checked. No, Jain. Then why you are sending again and again? Yeah, it is correct. Okay. Your problem is it was not clear the picture. That's why. Okay, it's correct. Okay, finish. Look at here now. Hello. The question is here AB. Look, A, B, D here, C here. Okay. Here O. Okay. Look at here. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. So given is AD equal to BC and angle A equal to angle B 90 degree. To prove what? To prove OB and also equal bisectors to line segment AB. CD bisect AB. CD bisect AB. So what is that one? This one is CD. Listen, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Okay. Show that CD bisect AB. So we have to find out O is the midpoint of AB. So we are sure that these two are equal. Okay. Look at here. Come on. First of all, in triangle DAO, and triangle CBO. Okay. This angle DA equal to CB. DA equal to CB given. Angle A equal to angle B 90 degree given. This angle vertically opposite angles. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by AAS, right? Side angle. How come SAS? Navneet, how come SAS here? SAS not possible because SAS means what? Side angle side. ASA, how ASA? How you can write ASA? A equal to D, correct? 9 degree. Vertically opposite angle. ASA means what? Angle, side angle, right? This is what AAS. AAS. Otherwise, you are right. D equal to C, angles, third angle, like that. Third angles. So better write this way, AAS. Okay. Taufik. Okay, Taufik came. Taufik, you didn't study anything, right? For the test? Did you prepare or not? Any day you got this, our last March onwards, we are writing every Thursday test. Every Thursday you are wrong. You. What not you need? Listen here. In triangle DAO. Actually, listen. In triangle DAO and CBO. DA equal to CB given. DA equal to CB given. Angle A equal to angle B. 90 degree given. Then angle AOD equal to angle BOC. Vertically opposite. This is the vertically opposite angles. Some guys vertically opposite angle simply writing vertical opposite in our test. Like this. Okay. The question like this, then this angle C. Here C. So this is kind vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle first of all you have to learn. Okay, then these triangles are congruent by two angle on one side, that AAS. AAS. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. So then you try, yeah, try for next one. Question number fourth one. Yes, try. Those who finished now try. Order. What order? Yes, congruency order is different between trouble man. That's why I told you know. In the look at here. See, hey, others. Order is a very important thing. Look, suppose two triangle. PQR. This is 5, 6, 7. A, B, C. Here 6, 5, 7. Okay. The order what? If you write PQR, listen. If you write PQR, triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. Is it correct or no? Is it correct? Others? No, it's wrong. Look at here. Check it. PQ equal to AB, 5 equal to 6. Okay, what do you write? You have to change this one. PQ instead of PQ equal to how much here? BC. So BC A. Now check it. PQ 5, 5 BC also 5. QR 6, AC should be 6. Okay, right? Okay, then what do you write? You have to change it according to the order. You have to change it. Understood now? So exact point you have to get it. Others understood or not? Okay. So here PQR we can write CBA. Let me check. See, PQ 5, BC 5, QR 6, BA 6, PR 7, AC 7. This order. Look at here. Others now understood? You have to keep on check it and write. See, PQR congruent to CBA. Not first I wrote what? BCA. BCA is wrong. CBA only wrong. Then everything correct. Look, PQ equal to BC. First PQ equal to BC, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. QR equal to BA, 6, 6. PR 7, AC also 7. That means you have to between. Listen here. Between two triangles, we can write 6 ways. I told you that we can write 6 ways. Only one coming correct. I'll write again. That I'll show you. Look, it's a good question you asked me. Okay. PQR may be equal to ABC or ACB or BCA or BSC or CBA, CAB. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ways you can write. Okay. 6 ways you can write, but only one correct. That you have to find it. Otherwise, maybe this is correct. PQR congruent to CAB. If you write this one, P equal to C, Q equal to B, like that, changes will be there. Others okay now? So for all doubt about this one, finish. No, only one congruent correct. One only for now. Okay. Okay. Now start question number 4. Hello. Start question number 4. Okay, you're trying, you know. Okay, are you trying or look at here? L and M, look, L, M are parallel. Okay, P and Q are again parallel, intersect by another parallel lines. Okay, P, Q. So this is parallel here. This is parallel to here. Okay. A, B, C, D. Diagonal AB. Okay. What do you have shown? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. Okay, very simple. Look at here now. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Alternate angles. 3 equal to 4. Alternate angles. AC common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by ASA. ASA. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Right now. You mark it like this. Okay. If it is a blank, affirm. If it is a blank, you can write 1, 2, 3 like that. Otherwise, don't change it. Okay. Suppose you are given 60. Don't change anything like that. Okay. So you draw figure like this. Then write angle 1 equal to angle 2. Alternate angles. 3 equal to 4. Alternate angles. AC equal to AC common. We all got this. Okay. Yes, ASA. I told you, no, ASA. Angle, side, angle. ASA only I said. What I said then? How come SAS? SAS, you have to explain it. To say SAS, you have to explain what is the reason and all. Okay. ASA, no, two angle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Side, ASA. Okay, now we try question number 5. Hello, question number 5. Question number 5. Okay. Okay, getting now? Question number 5. Okay, try first. Any point means any point. Come on. Okay, any point means any point. That's no other meaning. Okay. Anywhere. Okay, anywhere in Kuwait, like that. Okay. Okay, wait. I'll show you. Okay, wait. Some guys are trying. Yeah, they're saying to wait. Look, a line L is the bisector of angle A. Look at here. Okay, this is angle A. L is the bisector. This is the bisector. Okay. Now, B is any point on L. Any point, anywhere. Suppose here, B. Then BP and BQ are perpendicular to this one. This is perpendicular to P here, angle 90. This is here 90. Then show that triangle APB congruent to AQB. This is the figure. Okay. Now look at here. Look, L is the bisector. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle P equal to angle Q, 90 degree, given. AB equal to AB, common. Right? Therefore, these triangles are congruent by AAS, angle, side, angle, side. Hence, okay, that finished. BP equal to BQ, CPCD. Finish. Okay, now, can you write? Write fast.
Okay, finish. Yes, AS property. Okay, I only explained now. The giant two angle and one side. Okay, now we can try question number 6. Try now question number 6. First draw, write given, what you have to prove. Okay, neat figure. Okay. Second part. Second part is CPCT. First part you got or not? You got already a APB congruent to triangle AQB. Second part is what? CPCT. Okay. Why you ask such a simple question again, Ridisha? If the triangles are congruent, similar part is equal. Okay, try now. Okay, now you try. Next is what question? Others. After 5, next number is what? Others. After 5, next number is what? 5, the next is 6. Why are you asking me that is such a simple question? You take a decision. Why not in the picture? Narmit, why can't you download this page? Okay, try now. Okay, got the picture now, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you. Okay, look at here. Hello. Anyone trying or not? Hello. You need time. You need more time or not? Otherwise, I'll try now. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay, okay, I'll wait. Just wait, others. Okay. Okay, now look at here. Hello. See, this one I'll give you. Okay, listen here. Here in figure, okay, A, B, C, D here, then E, okay, C here. Look at that. You mark it according to the question. AC equal to AE, this one. AB equal to AD. BAD, angle 1, equal to EAC, 2. Okay. Show that BC equal to DE. Okay. This is the figure. Okay, look at here now. Hello, listen. Before starting, hello, listen here. AB, look at AB equal to AD. AC equal to AE. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. We are sure that BC equal to DE. That means we have to prove angle BAC. BAC and BAC and or ABC and ADE are equal. ABC and ADE are congruent. Okay. Listen once again. What you have to prove? Our requirement is we have to show ABC and ADE are congruent. Now look at here. Hello. Listen. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. I'm calling this a 3. Okay. Adding angle 3 on both sides. Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Same number, adding same both sides, no issue. Okay. So 1 plus 3, what? Angle BAC. 2 plus 3, EAD. Okay. Right? Okay. Right up to here now. Right. Proof. You mark it 1, 2, 3. Okay, listen. You mark it 1, 2, 3. First you write proof. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, right? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Given. Then adding angle 3 on both sides. Adding angle 3 on both sides. Adding angle 3 on both sides. We get angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. That is angle BAC. BAC. 1 plus 3 BAC equal to angle EAD. BAC equal to angle EAD. Okay. After that. Now listen, stop. Wait, listen first of all, then ask the question. When we add that common part, what you got angle BAC, then EAD. Now listen here. Take the triangle ABC. Our requirement is ABC. ABC and ADE. Okay. In triangle ABC and ADE. AB equal to AD given, right? Then angle BAC equal to angle EDC. This angle now. Look, this angle equal to this angle, right? Correct or no? First side AB equal to AD. Then angle ABC, this BAC, this full angle equal to ED, EAD, this angle. Then AC equal to AE. AC equal to AE. That means side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Which one? SAS congruency. Are you okay? SAS congruency. Saad, why didn't I write the test? Saad, hello. I asked you. You didn't answer me that. Why didn't I write the test? Hello, Saad. Come on. What is the reason? Why you didn't write the test, right? You should answer me that. No, I asked you the right. Okay, so now finish this one. Right, I'll give the note. Right, what do you wrote? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3. That is angle BAC equal to EAD. Then after that, in triangle BAC and DAE, AB equal to AD given. Angle BAC equal to angle EAD proved. AC equal to AE. AC equal to AD. Therefore, triangle BAC congruent to triangle DAE. DAE. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Hence, what you show? BC equal to DE. BC equal to DE. It's a star question, okay? Okay. Question. Jayant, look at here. You saw angle 1, you marking 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1 equal to 2. What's the reason? Given. Add 3 on both sides. What will you get? Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay. 1 plus 3, which angle? 1 plus 3, which angle? angle BAC equal to 3 plus 2 DAE or EAD, right? Correct or no? Okay, now I'm taking the triangle BAC. Okay, BAC and DAE. BAC and DAE. In that, BA equal to DA given. These are the marking in a 2 mark. Okay. Then angle BAC equal to angle DAE. We proved just now. BAC. Look at the figure. BAC equal to, check the figure, confirm with the figure. BAC equal to DAE. Proved. Then AC equal to AE given. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by SAS. I'll show you. Look, side, angle, and side. Side, angle, and side. Now clear or no? Is it okay now? Okay, then try next question. What, Jay, what is the question? What are you asking, Jay? I told you question number 7. How we did the previous questions and all? 5, we did 3, 4, 5, 6. You wake up now only. We yes. The reader question, man. Reader questions. How you did 3, 4, 5, 6. So now question number 7. Try now. Question number 7. Okay. You write given. What you have to prove? If you're not sure, do a rough work only. I'll give the fair work. Okay. Are you getting or not? Hello. Try. Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Wait. I'll explain this one. Okay, just wait or. Okay, so now I'll show this one. Look at here. Are you get? Wait. Look. Look. AB is a line segment. Look. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. P is its midpoint. P is its midpoint. That is equal to this one. P is its midpoint. D and E are points on the side AB. D here. Okay. D here. Okay. D and E are points on the same side of AB and E here. Okay. Angle BAD. BAD. This angle I'm calling 1 equal to angle ABE. Angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Then angle EPA. EPA. This one 3. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Okay. Show that triangle DAP and EBP. EBP. Okay. Look at here now. Hello. Look at here. You have any? Is it okay? I'm marking 1, 2, 3, and all easy for you, right or no? Or you want to write DAP equal to EBP instead of that 1 equal to 2? Is it okay for you? Which one is easy? Okay. So now this is the given thing. Listen, hold. Hello. Don't write now. I'll give the note this one. Okay. It's a star question. Okay. Look, the given is marking and all finish. It's marking here. That means AP equal to PB. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. This is 4. Okay. We have shown that triangle DAP congruent to EBP. Okay. I listen here. I'm taking this angle 5. Okay. I'll give the note. Don't write now. Okay. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Adding 5 on both sides. Angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to angle 4 plus angle 5, which implies DPA, correct or no? Angle DPA 3 plus 5 equal to angle EPB. Is it okay or not? Right? EPB. Is it okay? Clear or not? Okay. Then write up to here. Right. You marking after marking. Right. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4 given. Angle 3 equal to angle 4 given. Then adding angle 5 on both sides. Adding angle 3, sorry, adding angle 5 on both sides. Adding angle 5 on both sides, we get angle 3 plus angle 5. Angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Angle 4 plus angle 5. That is angle DPA, DPA, DPA or APD. DPA equal to angle EPB, EPB. Okay, after that. Now look at here. In triangle DAP, listen, don't write. In triangle DAP and EPB, angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Agree or not? AP equal to BP given. AP equal to BP given. Angle DPA equal to angle EPB proved. DPA equal to EPB proved. Therefore, triangle DPA congruent to EPB by ASA, angle, side, angle, 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 side, angle. Okay. Is it okay? You can fill it. Okay. Then remaining part is simplicity. Okay. Okay. Now I'll give you 5 minutes. Just check these questions. Okay. Question, Nashi. First, you write angle 3 equal to angle 4. First, you write angle 3 equal to angle 4. Given. Do you mark or not? Hello? Do you mark or not? Okay. So then write angle 3 equal to angle 4 given. Then adding angle 5 on both sides. Adding angle 5 on both sides. Adding angle 5 on both sides. Adding angle 5 on both sides, we get angle 3 plus angle 5. Angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Angle 4 plus angle 5. That is angle DPA. Angle DPA equal to angle EPB. EPB. Okay. Then after that, in triangle DPA and EPB. In triangle DPA and EPB. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 or A equal to B. Angle A equal to angle B. Then AP equal to BP. AP equal to BP. Next point. Angle DPA equal to angle EPB. Proved. DPA equal to angle EPB. Proved. Therefore, triangle DPA congruent to EPB. ASA congruency. Clear now? Okay. Now check it. I'll give 5 minutes. 2:24 only start. Okay. Check all. Any doubts? I clear it. Okay. Okay, you have till 2 minutes there. So you can check it all the questions, and after that you can check it. Question number 8. Question number 8 is a little bit big questions. 4 parts there is. Write the question, draw figure, and given you write what you have to prove. Okay, if you want, you can try. No problem. Okay, I'll wait. This will take time. Yes, then who will write, Saad? I'll write. Right? If you're not writing the question, what's the meaning? Right? In your notebook. It's not writing a test. You're writing in a notebook. Okay. No. It's not started. Without question, I don't want to see. Okay. You write the question first. Okay. You try. If not, I'll show this one. Okay. Don't. At least you try. Okay. I'll show this one. I'll give the note also. Okay. Still trying or I had to do? Come on, tell me first. What do you plan? Are you getting or not? All the base is first question. If not getting first question, you don't get everything. Okay. First question is the base. If you know first question, you can do other questions. Okay. I'll wait 3 more minutes. Okay. Shilas, I'll wait 3 more minutes. Okay. You got all? Can you send the Saad? Saad, can you send me? I'll check your work. Okay, send me that. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay. Look at here now. This is the question only now. Come on. Saad, this is the question. Where is the answer? Okay. What is he wrote? SAS what? Saad. He wrote SAS. What is the meaning that? Okay. You wrote SAS. What? I didn't understand. What is that? What is that? SAS. You wrote SAS. What is the meaning there? How I know? Look at here. Look. This question one by one, I'll give the note. Okay. Look at here. In right triangle ABC, VAC. Look, in right triangle ABC, right angle at C. C here, A here. Okay. This angle 90 degrees. Okay. M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. You systematically draw. First, you draw triangle ACB, mark 90, M is the midpoint. Then C is joined to M. C is joined to M. C is joined to M. Okay, and extend to D. And extend to D such that how long extended? This one equal to this one. This one already given and join here. This is the figure. Okay. Hello. Okay, this is the figure given in the question, right? Okay, look at here now. Hello, first part. Wait. In triangle AMC and BMD. In triangle AMC and BMD, right? AMC and BMD. AM equal to BM given. Angle AMC equal to angle BMD. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Then MC equal to MD given. Therefore, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. Are you okay? Are you okay or not? This part. Okay. So I'll give the note, right? Right. In triangle AMC and BMD. In triangle AMC, in triangle AMC and BMD. AMC and BMD. AM equal to BM. AM equal to BM given. Then angle AMC equal to angle BMD. BMD. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Then MC equal to MD. MC equal to MD. MC equal to MD given. Therefore, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. AMC congruent to triangle BMD. BMD. Okay. This part is finished. First First part is finished. Agree or no? Okay. And Saad, I don't know, more part you wrote. BD equal to AC, BDM equal to ACM. We didn't ask this question in this one. He wrote remaining part also. BD equal to AC, BDM equal to ACM. Why you wrote this one? Pranav, how come ASA here? No. Hey, Pranav, this one Pranav, this one I explained already. ASA and AAS. Okay. SAS, how come? SAS means what? Listen, Pranav. SAS means what? In between angles, right? Angle is, hey, listen, Pranav, listen here. SAS means angle in between the two sides. SSA is like that. S means what? Side. Angle means what? S, side. A, angle, again side. You saying SSA. There is no congruency also like that. So you write ASA and SAS 3 times and send me today. Okay. Understood now? What is SAS? What is ASA? Right. Okay. Now, Saad, answer me my question. After prove, you proved up to here. BMD congruent to BMD congruent to AMC. Agreed. I agree. That is correct. But after that, you wrote BD equal to AC and angle BDM equal to ACM. For what that? Saad, you extra you wrote. What is that one? No need to write that one. Okay. You have to answer. You have to answer only the our question. Okay. Now second part. Look at here. First part clear or not? Everyone. First part clear or not? All the guys. All the guys. First part clear or not? If anyone doubt, tell me now. Because if you have doubt in first part, you cannot get second part. Third part, fourth part. All depends on first part only. That's what I'm telling you. First part, make sure. The first part. Okay, J. Look, J, what is given here? AM equal to BM, right? AM equal to BM. Is it given? No? Yes. CM equal to DM. Given. Okay. So, you take the triangle AMC. AMC and triangle BMD. BMD. AM equal to BM. It is given. Angle AMC. Look at the figure. Okay. Angle AMC equal to angle BMD. Vertically opposite angle. This is called vertically opposite angles. Some guys last class answer just one outside, one inside, writing vertically opposite angles. Okay. AMC equal to BMD. BMD, vertically opposite angles. BM equal to MC equal to DM given. Therefore, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. This is called SAS congruency, side, angle, side. Okay. So first part clear now. Okay. Now see the second part. DBC is a right triangle. Look at here. DBC is a right triangle. Look at it. Look, this angle and this angle equal. Why? Anyone have answer? Angle A equal to hey, Silas. How come 45 degree, man? Who told it is 45 degree? Okay, listen here. Look. Come on. AMC congruent to BMD, right? No, wait. AMC, not alternate angles. AMC congruent to BMD. So angle A equal to angle DBM or MBD. Are you okay? Because triangles are congruent. CBCD. Okay, right. Then this one, which type of angles? Okay, CBCD. This is which type of angles? Listen, angle A and angle DBM. Which type of angles? Come on, answer. Which type of angles that? Sir, can you answer, sir? Sir. Okay. Which type of angle that? Acute angle, allied angle. Okay. Verona and Nidir take the lines and angle. Okay, that where you wrote allied angles and all, write that one. Okay. Saad, I'm asking you, angle A equal to angle A and angle DBM. Which kind of angles? We have three types of angles. There is allied angle, there is corresponding angle, there is alternate angles, there is. You already answer and send me. Now I'm asking you the question. Then you copied from someone. Now you're telling you think alternate angles. Come on. Now you're telling you think alternate angles. Then how you answer this one? The answer is there. It's a lottery. You have no idea what is alternate angles. Okay, listen here. Next Thursday also a retest on lines and angle only, because without lines and angle we cannot learn triangles. Clear now? Next Thursday lines and angle retest only. Retest on lines and angle, because lines and angle, without lines and angle we cannot do anything triangles. That's why we are facing now. See, now some guys no idea what is alternate angles, but no idea corresponding angles, allied angles, simply answering only. Some guys no idea vertically opposite angles. So until we finish all the problems with the lines and angles, then only we can do test on triangles. Otherwise, no use. Okay. Now here, angle A and angle DBM, alternate angles. Correct or no? Not acute angles, others. Alternate angles. What is acute angles? Alternate angles. These alternate angles are equal. What happened? If the alternate angles are equal, what will happen? Come on. If alternate angles are equal, then what will do? The lines are parallel. Correct or no? The lines are parallel. Okay. So now we got DB parallel to AC. Right? Okay. Then angle DBC plus angle ACB, how much? We got DB parallel to AC. Now I am telling angle DBC plus angle ACB, how much? 180 degree. What is the name? What is that name? What name is the special name? What is it called? Co-interior angles or allied angles. Okay, but ACB how much? 90. Correct or no? ACB 90 given. ACB 90 given. Therefore, DBC how much? 90. Correct? Okay, right now, this note. Second part, right? Second part. Angle A, right? Angle A equal to angle DBM. Angle A equal to angle DBM. In bracket, right? Bracket, right? Triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. That's enough. Triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMC CPCT. Triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD, then CPCT. Clear now that point? A equal to this one. Then right. Since the alternate angles A and DBM, alternate angles A and DBM are equal. Since the alternate angles A and DBM are equal, AC parallel to DB. AC parallel to DB. Okay, AC parallel to DB. Then, hence, angle DBC plus angle ACB 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Okay, but angle ACB 90 degree. 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 Hence, angle DBC 90. Angle ACB 90 degree bracket type given. Angle ACB 90 degree given. Therefore, angle DBC 90. Okay. Second part clear now? Hello. Second part clear or not? Okay. Now, third part. That part is easy. Look at here. Third part, look at here now. Hello. We have to finish this one today. Okay. Third part, look at here. In triangle DBC, listen, don't write now. In triangle DBC and ACB. Okay. Check figure DBC and ACB. DB equal to AC. Why? DB equal to AC. DB equal to AC. What is the reason? CPCT of what? Parallel. Parallel, all lines are equal. Nice sheet. This line, look at here. This line and this line parallel. They are equal. Parallel lines are equal. Parallel, what is the meaning? You can check the video. Okay, now there is no time. Okay. No. CPCT of the because alternate angles are equal. No, man. What Nirmid, what are you telling? The first part, not intersecting. The first part. What was the first question? The first part, what? AMC congruent to BMD. Therefore, AC equal to DB. CPCT. Right? Correct or no? First part. That's why I told you, first part is important thing. Okay. DB equal to AC. CPCT. DBC equal to ACB. 90 degree. Just now we proved. BC equal to BC common. Therefore, triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. Why? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Finish. Okay, write that one. Right. In triangle DBC, right. In triangle DBC and ACB. In triangle DBC and ACB. DB equal to AC. DB equal to AC. DB equal to AC. Bracket, right? CPCT of triangle AMC and BMD. CPCT of triangle AMC and BMD. Okay. Next. Angle DBC. Angle DBC equal to angle ACB, 90 degree. Angle DBC equal to angle ACB, 90 degree. Proved. Therefore, okay, next. BC equal to BC common. BC equal to BC common. Hence, angle, then angle D, therefore, triangle DBC, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. DBC congruent to ACB. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Okay. This is the third part. Now one more part. Third part okay or not? Make sure now third part is okay. Okay, now look at here. If it is congruent, we can say DC equal to AB. No, yeah, AB. Correct or no? DC equal to AB. Why CPCT? Correct or no? DC equal to DC equal to AB. CPCT. Okay. Half DC equal to half AB. Half, I took half because our requirement is half is there. Half AC equal to half AB. Okay, half DC what? Half DC is what? Check half DC. CM. Okay, half DC equal to half AB. Then CM equal to half AB. CM equal to half AB. In bracket, right? DM equal to MC given. DM equal to MC given. Okay. So check this all for before the next class. Next class will be more tough questions. Okay, extra questions we'll do next class. Plus next Thursday retest on lines and angle only. Okay, which explain last part explained for now. You just write DBC congruent to ACB. DC equal to AB. DC equal to AB. Take the half DC equal to half AB. Okay. Half DC means what? CM. Half AB, keep it there. Okay. This is enough today.